Hello, folks. Again, this is Nana Mari from the store here down in Trolla, California. Today, what I'm presenting behind me in nice, beautiful weather is a brand new 2025 Keystone Bullet 245 RK. It's a 24-foot rear kitchen travel trailer. It has all the amenities of the nice quality Keystone Bullet they offer. And the first amenity they offer, first thing you want to emphasize, this unit is a perfect for backpack towable. It's a small fiberglass with aluminum construction, has the nice styrofoam installation on the wall. You'll put it half in the pot, half perfect for diamond paper. You can see the nice finishing you do. Also, on this white strip, this is not a white strip. This is actually LED light, which you could see it in the dark. This is LED light. So there's nice full, long LED light in the front, electric power jack, two open tank for the cover, and all the bullet. And in the previous videos I mentioned, they offer you the following: 220 watt solar panel, as you see back in the corner. Is that there's a solar panel on the roof to 20 watt with the controller, inverter prep, as well tire monitoring prep. Passenger storage. And as you see in this beautiful unit, big, beautiful awning with the two GPL outside speakers in the top, and they give you everything where you could sit here, cook, eat, drink, and enjoy the outdoor. It has outside fridge, as you see here, for your beer for me or soft drink for the kids. And then you have a nice grill as well. You have a place, even they can tell you where you put your bracket. It said pack for TV mounting bracket. So I could put my bracket here, my 32-inch TV. There's the 110, the cord, so I could sit, eat, watch game, watch movie, whatever, and enjoy the outdoor. This unit is a 24, 25 feet, but it has two entry doors. So there's entry door to the kitchen and the living area. It's not kitchen, the bedroom. So it's like you eat early morning and so you want to disturb anybody in the living room. You wake up, you walk into the chair. In the back, they give you everything you offer. And now it's kind of shade. You can see what I'm talking about. And also the LED strip light in the back, red in the back, white in the front. Has a nice, beautiful rear ladder in the back. Backup camera. They have receivers, bumper, or you put your circles. It has a receiver also for like that. And nice, beautiful 2-inch by 2-inch square bumper where you put your sewer hose, spare tires in the cover. And coming over here, you have in this hot water heater. Come with all the Keystone Bullet Premier. They come with it. Now we need to stop and talk about this one. One thing about bullet crossfires or bullet premieres or the bullet or the line in general, what I like these docking stations. So they give you everything as one location where you could easily get your stuff in. So you could have outside shower, hot and cold. You have city water connections. You have the water fill for the tank. You have the sandy flush for your black water tank. This unit has two sandy flush, by the way. And it has also the cable hookup, satellite hookup. And it has the two switches right here for the, the jack. You could see stabilizer jack, the two in the front, two in the back. So everything in this spot. So you don't have to go back and forth like some other brands. And here's indication to you also the solar and the inverters and all the hookup is needed. So this is one of the major features. We're inside the Keystone Bullet 245 RK. As you see from the name of it, RK is mean rear kitchen. It's amazing, a beautiful kitchen. I mean, you have 8 foot of kitchen counter space in the back. You have plenty of room on the right side and the left side for prepping. You have the nice two doors. I mean, place for cooking pans and all storage. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 4 doors, and all the back even has LED light as storage. So look, the amount of just the storage of cooking pans, foods and all that stuff, plus all the down. and a nice preparation area, and you have a place for the maker, toasters, so on. So there's no issue from that. And then you have a nice view window in the back. So this is really neat while you're cooking. You just open it to give you an idea what I'm talking about. So while you're cooking, you have this really nice view window to the ocean and the river. So it's not they giving you a small window like some other brands, or a small window in the center. Whole back is window and it's open. So it make it really open when you walk it. Now, over here, what I like about the Bullet now recently, they start giving what's called two oven. So this one has the propane oven, and this one it has the microwave on the top. Plus you have the 3-burner range. So you have an oven, 3-burner range, and a microwave, plus a hood fan with light, as you see. Give you here's a pantry, and with adjustable shelf, so you can put your cereals, your sugar, salt, flours, you name it, whatever you take with you. Going here in the kitchen, they have the 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator, which is almost 11 cubic feet, and run a 12 volt, and no issue. You have 220 watt solar panel. Another feature we need to emphasize on the Bullet is they have curved roof with a big LED light, and they are on a switch with the dimmer, as you see. This is the beauty about this unit. So this unit has three things what I really emphasize to my people. Huge counter space with more cabinet. That's number one. Number two is I have a place for seating across each other. When I have people in my chair, so people, I could sit 3 people here in this theater seating. Now, these people, they will look at it, they're gonna say, "Oh no, this is a sofa." No, 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 no. It look like a sofa, but it is a theater seating with a middle console. I drop it like this, and then I have my drink, and then I recline. You just take this to give you an idea. And I could push it back. Oh, time to go to bed. You could sleep on it. So it has a nice recliners with a cup holders, and the beauty is facing my TV, and it's the same eye level. So if I'm sitting here, I could watch a movie, relaxing, me and the wife. Late after the hiking in the mountains, I could come down, put my recliners, enjoy nice and beautiful, a glass of wine, voila. And you're gonna tell me, wait a minute, the Ambiance is watching a movie and recline, and you have a beautiful fireplace. So what do you need to ask more than that? Even fancy houses they don't have this. So you have a nice fireplace, and this is 5,000 1400 watt, and it's 5,000 PTU. So it's really hit the unit. You can sit relaxed, the nice beautiful ambient on you and the wife, with a fireplace going on, watching a movie, and enjoy it. So this is the beauty about this floor plan, is that the seating with the middle console. At the same time, I could have it just as a sofa. Across from it, as we see, the fireplace, we mentioned that to you guys. Huge closets. I don't know what you're gonna put it in. It's very deep. Even 3 posts to hold the shelf, very deep, all the way down. And it's adjustable, so you could store whatever, unlimited, on this unit. And then in the top of that, they give you the table, which is a dinette. And people, they say, "Oh, why they use portable?" The reason why you could take this table outside, inside, you could put it here, you could put it in front of the sofa, and you could take it outside and camp. And as well, this table is dropped down and become one-piece bed. Also, storage. You have accessible storage both sides, this side or the other side. You could access it from this side or the top. So even you don't need to use that storage, because I don't know what you're gonna put on this trailer. Because all this trailer, everywhere I go, compartment door with the storage. Same here, another storage. Oh, I forgot to mention, it's power LED storage, so you can lit up in both way. And then yes, so here, yeah. What else? Nice, like it. Beautiful look. Now you're gonna sit now. When I'm sitting in my living area, when I'm sitting in my diner, I don't want to see a bathroom. Well, there's no problem. You don't have to see a bathroom because there's a nice pocket door. And if I close it, I have full separations for between my kitchen, living dining, and the bathroom and the bedroom. But that gives you an idea what's look like when this door closed. Also, very important, we need to emphasize, I never seen children except the bullet, they do this. This piece of wood, this is it remind me is the windows in my house and your house, where they have a piece of wood in the frame. It's a nice shelf, you could put things on it, a nice finish for the window, you don't see a bunch of screws, solid wood. So this is I want to emphasize to you on the bullet windows. Other competitor, they don't use that. It's a plus. Now, back as we said before, every area you sit in the bullet, you have plug for USB. You have here, and on this side, you have it there. More storage. I mean, this should call not rear kitchen. They should call as a storage trailer. Going to the bedroom, we're gonna pass the bathroom, go back to it. Typical bullet bedroom, nice, lit up with lights and hanging clothes. There's a USB plug in the corner, USB plug in this corner, 110, place for a breathing machine, laptop, huge counter space. You could put a lot of books, waters, bottles, you name it. And this is the queen, not RV queen, 60 by 80. As well, you have the full storage underneath. And this unit has a place here for TV. It's right here, plug. And if the cameraman show them, this is all the trailers, they come with barn door. I love this mechanism. It's a barn doors. You have one here in the bedroom to give you privacy. So if I close here, nobody could see my bedroom, and I could dress up. And if I'm a morning person, I want to go outside, I could go this way without bothering the people who's sleeping in the living room, if you want to have people sleeping there. So this door is easy for early bird. Also, they give you access to the bathroom even if the slide is closed. That's another major thing why they have this door, because if I close the slide out, I cannot access my dinette and a sofa. Well, I could come over through here and have my bathroom and use the bathroom without opening any, pushing any slide out. Going here, we have a nice medicine cabinet. This section for her, this section for me. Nice place to wash your hand, place for dryers and more storage. And then typical showers of Bullet is very roomy, it's skylight. Woo! And privacy. All the toilet on the Bullet, they are porcelain toilet, they're not a plastic, so I give you more room. And then if you close this door, you close this barn door, by the way, now I have full privacy. I could come here, you know, do my business, do the toilet, take a shower. I could dress up, I get ready, and then nobody in the living area see anything. And then I open the pocket door or the barn door, and voila. And then I could use my nice living area.